Good evening, everybody. It's Christian is here. Just making a quick video on just one simple app that I've used to make a bit of extra income with. Now it's based in Australia. I've also provided another version, a similar type of app I'll talk about very briefly, that can be used in many other places such as the US and the UK and I think actually here in Australia as well. But I'll start with this one because this is the one that I've had the most success with. It's called SmartSpotter, as you can see here on the screen here. So smartspotter.com or ausmartspotter.com. I think it's Australian. As far as I know, there's a flag here. Let me just click on that flag, see if anything... Oh, look, there you go. Belgium, Netherlands, South Africa. So, yeah, so there's a few different options there as well, if you happen to be from any of those places. And so it's basically just an app, download on your phone, and then it's just got little jobs that you can do. You could go, for example, into a shopping centre and say, look, take a picture of your local supermarket, the end product. We want to see if they've got it set up correctly. So we'll just go in there, take a few photos, send it off through the app. It's very easy to use. But we're talking small amounts for the most part. We're talking between $6 to $10 per job. So I say sort of something if you're looking for an extra $20 to $50. Most I've made, I think, in one day is about $158 or $160, something like that. But then I was traveling all around all day. I didn't do anything else but that all day. Traveled all over. I was going into all the supermarkets in this case and a few other shops. I was EB Games was one of them. But anyway, I just thought I'd mention that. I'm kind of just launching this channel from 0 to 1 million because I guess I am kind of starting from scratch for myself at the moment in terms of finances, and just want to, I guess, start to develop that mindset and just want to, I guess, share any experiences of ways that I'll be sharing a few other ways that I've made money online and offline. So this is a combination, this one. Now, if you're not in Australia, then the equivalent for other areas is called Field Agent. So this is the international website. I believe it's the US one, and it's kind of a similar sort of deal. You know, you might go in and you take pictures of certain setups or certain brands, and then you'll get send them through with the app, and then get paid accordingly. And it goes straight into with SmartSpotter. It went straight into my bank account. I'm not sure whether Field Agent does a similar thing. I do think they do ask for a bank account as well, rather than PayPal. But anyway, I just thought I'd mention that because people might be watching from other parts of the world, and that's the equivalent to that. So I think that's really all for now. I'll talk about a few other things I've been doing in future posts, but that's it for now. Thanks. Bye.